Hello there, my name is Belal, and I'm here to teach you about how to solve linear simultaneous equations. Okay, so linear simultaneous equations. And now, there are two main ways to solve linear simultaneous equations. One way is via elimination, and the other way is via substitution. Let's just focus on elimination first. So, let's say we've got two equations. One is 3x plus 2y is equal to 11, and the other one is 2x minus y is equal to 5. Okay, and we'll label each one equation 1 and equation 2, just to make sure that it's just neaten things up. Now, to solve by elimination, what we want to do is we want to remove one of the variables, either x or y. And so let's focus on trying to remove x. So as you can see here, we want to do is we want to create a common, we want to make the coefficients, so these numbers here, the same number, so that when we can subtract one away from the other, we get rid of the x's. So what we can do is we could multiply 1 by 2, so we get 6x, and we multiply equation 2 by 3, so we can also get 6x. So when we multiply equation 1 by 2, we get 6x plus 4y is equal to 22. And when we multiply equation 2 by 3, we will get 6x minus 3y is equal to 15. Now what we want to do is by elimination is we want to simply get rid of the x's, and we can just do this by minusing one equation from another. So labeling these equations 3 and 4 just to neaten things up. So we can say, let's say equation 3 negative equation 4. So subtract it. So we get 6x plus 4y is equal to 22 minus 6x minus 3y equals 15. Now 6x minus 6x, as you know, that is 0x. 4y minus 3y. So we've got two negatives that will make a positive. So we get plus 3y. So that's 7y. And we do 22 minus 15, which is going to be 7. So we get 7y is equal to 7. Okay? Now what we can do is we can do 7y is equal to 7. And then we want to just solve for y. So we divide both sides by 7. So divide by 7, divide by 7. So we get y is equal to 1. Great. Now, to get x, all we do is we just sub y is equal to 1 into any one of the equations, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's say we'll do it into equation 2. So we say sub y is equal to 1 into equation 2. So we get 2x minus 1 is equal to 5. Add 1 to both sides. So we get 2x is equal to 6. And then we divide by 2 on both sides to get the value of x. So x is equal to 3. Do you have any questions so far of what I've done about how to solve linear simultaneous equations by elimination? Do you have any questions about why y is 1 and x is 3? No? Perfect. That's one way to do it. Now, let's get rid of this, and then I will show you how to solve linear simultaneous equations by substitution, which in my opinion is far more fun. That's just a personal opinion, however. So, substitution. Exact same equations as before, just to make things easier. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11, and 2x minus y is equal to 5. Equations 1 and equations 2. Now with substitution, what we want to do is we want to make one of the variables, either x or y, the subject of the equation. Now the reason why we want to make one of these variables the subject of the equation, it means that we can then substitute that equation that we get after rearranging it into another equation. So for example, let's say we want to rearrange equation 2 to make y the subject. Okay, what we want to do is we take 2x minus y equal 5. We want to add y to both sides. So 2x is equal to 5 plus y. Okay, so then we can minus 5 from both sides. So y is equal to 2x minus 5. And we'll call this equation number 3. This is a separate equation. Okay? Y is equal to 2x minus 5. As you can see in equation 1, you've got 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. We can substitute equation 3 into equation 1 to solve for x. So we can say substitute equation number 3 into equation number 1. So we get 3x plus 2 in brackets 2 x minus 5 is equal to 11. Expand the brackets, plus 4x minus 10 is equal to 11. And then we just tidy everything up. So we get 7x minus 10 is equal to 11. That's equal to 7x is equal to 21. Divide both sides by 7 to get the value of x. So x is equal to 3, as I showed you before. Not 31, sorry, there's just a little mistake. 3. Great. Now, any questions? No? Perfect. Let's now solve for y. Same thing as we did before in elimination. We sub the value of x is equal to 3 into either equations 1, 2, or 3. Let's do 3 as you already have y as a subject and we're trying to solve for y. So we say sub x is equal to 3 into equation 3. So we can say y is equal to 2 bracket 3 minus 5. And then we just expand the brackets. 6 minus 5, so y is equal to 1. Those are the two main ways to solve linear simultaneous equations, either by elimination or substitution. Do you have any questions about what we've done so far? If not, I will then give some questions for you to do by yourself, and you can choose either one to do. Perfect. Thank you very much.